Welcome back to Bilal Haider AI Studio. Yesterday, we learned how to read a crypto white paper. But reading is just step one. The real question is, how do we analyze a project to see if it's worth investing in?
That's what today's class is all about, crypto fundamental analysis. What is fundamental analysis?
Fundamental analysis, or FA, is the process of studying a project's foundation before you invest.
In simple words, you're checking whether the project has real strength or if it's just hype. There are three major areas we look at: on-chain metrics, project metrics, and market metrics.
Don't worry, I'll break each of them down step by step. On-chain metrics tell you what's really happening on the blockchain itself.
For example, number of active addresses, transaction volume, network fees.
If these numbers are growing, it usually means adoption is happening.
Now, project metrics. This is about the team, the technology, and the white paper. Ask yourself,
does the team have experience? Is the white paper clear and realistic? Is the technology innovative or just a copy-paste?
red flag. If a project has anonymous founders and no working product, be very careful.
Next, market metrics. These are external factors like trading volume, liquidity, and competitors.
If a coin has high trading volume and liquidity, it means there's strong market interest. But if volume is too low, you might not even be able to sell when you want to. Remember yesterday's class about tokenomics? This is where it comes into play. Check supply, demand, inflation rate, and distribution. Who owns the majority of tokens? If 90% is in the hands of one wallet, danger zone.
Always look at the project's roadmap. Are they meeting deadlines or just making promises?
Strong partnerships with real companies are a good sign. Fake partnerships are common red flags. Real-world use case at X. Ask yourself, does this project solve a real-world problem? For example, Ethereum solved the problem of smart contracts. Chainlink solved the problem of connecting blockchains to real-world data. If a project has no real use case, it won't serve it in the long run. Putting it all together, Bectus. So how do you combine all this? Think of FA like a checklist. Strong team, working product, good tokenomics, real use case, strong market adoption. If most of these are missing, stay away. Red flags in fundamental analysis. Let's talk about common red flags. Overpromising, under-delivering. No white paper or vague roadmap. And unrealistic ROI claims like 100x guaranteed, anonymous team with no track record. In 2025, fundamental analysis will get easier with AI tools. AI will scan white papers, track wallets, and analyze adoption in real time. But remember, tools help, judgment is still yours. So to wrap up, fundamental analysis is the backbone of smart investing. Always check on-chain data, project quality, market strength, tokenomics, and use case before putting your money in. This was Bilal Haider AI Studio. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily crypto classes. And tell me in the comments, which project do you want me to analyze in the next class?